I'm just chilling in Cedar Rapids.
Ah! Stop! I could have dropped my croissant.
Later, Mom. What's up? Me and my boys going to see Uncle Cracker. Give him that back, Jordan. Do you want to go see Uncle Cracker now?
I'm John Cena!
So no head?
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Shut up!
¿A quién estás diciendo charapu? A mí me estás diciendo charapu.
Oh my god, that was so funny!
Back at it again at Krispy Kreme.
You just drop in and just smack the lip. Whoop-ah! Drop down, snap. Ah!
Good evening, I'm Oprah.
What the fuck is up, Kyle? No, what did you say, dude? What the fuck, dude? Step the fuck up, Kyle.
Whenever you're ready. Alright.
I have a banana peel on the ground. I'm gonna see if it's really slippery like it is in the cartoon.
Does it feel good?
Mother trucker, dude. That hurt like a butt cheek on a stick.
Watch your profanity.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Why?
Pronos and fruites incorrectly. Pin of peoples. Papa yeah. Bananas. Cancel poops. Champagne man juice. What the?
Hey, can I have a large number 3, please?
Real easy to see, so you can check.
Bop it. Twist it. Pull it.
Hungry, squash banana, hungry.